Hi everyone, this is Florence from 𝗧𝗢𝗘 and today I'm going to show you one of the most important features of 𝗧𝗢𝗘𝗧𝗢𝗢 365 marketing. Let's begin with the Social Planner tab. As you can see, it allows you to manage your social media all in one place by publishing and scheduling posts across multiple social media networks all at once. Then we move into the Email tab where you can create, manage, and schedule all your email campaigns. And also, if you don't know where to start, you can use or create email templates. Here you can see all the templates. Then, if we go back to the Templates tab, we have a long list of templates that we can use. And you can add a new one too. Then, with trigger links, we can add links on SMS messages, which is something very simple since we have many templates to choose from. And then we have Affiliate Manager. We can connect our Stripe accounts to start creating affiliate campaigns.